The National Weather Service in Brownsville has issued urban and small stream flood advisory for west central Cameron County in deep South Texas until 7:00 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:27 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. This will cause urban and small stream flooding in the advisory area. 1 to 2 inches of rain have fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding include Harlingen, Valley Baptist Medical Center Harlingen, Texas State Technical College Harlingen, Harlingen Arts and Heritage Museum, Lamar Elementary School, Harlingen Medical Center, Harlingen High School, Harlingen Soccer Complex, Harlingen Public Library, and Harlingen City Reservoir. This includes Interstate Highway 69 east between mile markers 21 and 29. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.